I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to stop your Android device screen from waking up and turning on whenever you get a new notification. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device and then tap Wallpaper and Style in this menu. Step 2. Tap to make sure Lock Screen is selected at the top of this menu. Step 3. Swipe down this screen and then tap More Lock Screen Settings. The lock screen menu is displayed. Step 4. Navigate down to the When to Show section and then tap to toggle off Wake Screen for notifications. Going forward, your Android device screen will no longer turn on whenever you receive a new notification. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.